Boy, Father God, a long time you know your son they are struggle. They are fight the fight, but you're there. I go and hold the faith same way. I just really need this little breakthrough, Father God. You know me have my mother to take care of. You know me just meet that girl and a girl is one of the real ones. So you know, say boy, I have to put my best foot forward to make sure say everything go right. Father God, you see the struggles, you know the pain. Just help me to get this breakthrough in my life that I desperately need. Ashley, my baby, wagwan. You know, so me have something really important to tell you. You know, so me get the phone call a while ago. I finally get the break with me and wait for to go up on the farm work program. I firing.
Congratulations, my baby. Ray, my man, I got foreign bashment. But here, Brandon, me know why you two say nothing to nobody because you know all them people you mix up and turn and all them bad mind. If you got tell anybody, make sure say just your mother alone you are telling you, Brandon. And nobody run off your mouth and tell them dirty people in the community nothing.
No man, Ashley man, where you say man? Me not tell a soul, I swear to God. Because a long time me there pray for that breakthrough and God bless me if make this a breakthrough come true and me if go run my mouth with so much bad mind people out the road. No man baby, you don't know from you say as so. Yo better than what go on. I know say how far me and you come from still and no, say you're one of the real ones, them from way back when, from when a youth come up and you don't know and see the struggles we go through. You know the stress and strain we have to go through as youth. And we just make you know still say, yo, I finally get the little break for go foreign pan the little farm work. So I just squeeze you and I make you know as my brethren. But you don't know the things that nobody too loud it up and say nothing to nobody, because you don't know them people in the place they already. But don't know, me and you are brethren like that. So you don't know. I can make you know where I go on. So just hold it, you see me?
We are say man Brandon, you don't know say me and your thing good from back in a them time there. You don't know the thing set man, just go on in the ice. And go and go do the right thing. You don't know, say we're there same way. I hold the ground. You see me?
Yeah, say man better than you don't know the thing set man. And when time I go up and test the waters and make sure say all is well. And I got definitely see if I can make a link for you to my G, because trust me, would I really want to see you left out of the badness and start to do the right thing to you see me?
Sound good, yes, Brandon, but you don't know, Brandon say, yo, and every man cut out for a certain life. And my life is how it is, and they are right with it while like way still, because you don't know. You have to have somebody for hold off the ends and make sure say no outsiders no come in, come violate the people them. So you don't know see my role that me I play. You see me, you don't know the things set you to badness it name.
No say a word man fam, you don't know the things set man, but me still I gotta set the link still in you see me, and just I go and hope say you change your mind and come on the side of the fence instead of staying on the side there. Cause you don't know so where I come from youth these man, and I love and respect for the eye same way. Boy, I can't believe you finally me listener. Look Pearly to me, Grandon, brought me in a airport to fly out ga firing. while I still, a plane ride, I kind of remember feel a little bit weird stir. All my ears there feel like them want pop. Jano, but, it feel good differently still. Foreign, here I come.
Hello?
Hello, baby. I just a call for make you know, say, yo, I reach, And I just there go and hold the faith, you see me, and just I go and prepare myself because them give way the work schedule and everything for tomorrow. And we're gonna start to pick some apples and some strawberries tomorrow. So you don't know, baby, I'm gonna go and hold a little small rest up because tomorrow is going to be a long day. I gotta call my mother next and just make mommy know say I reach too. You see me?
Alright, my good body man Brandon, go and go get some rest for your nice, clean body. You don't know, say your woman Ashley there go and hold the faith for you. I will not switch up on the thing because you don't know how one Brandon, me say. Anyway, go and go get some rest. I will chat tomorrow. Love you, baby. Mwah.
Hello?
Yo, better than what go on, my bad brother. Just a link up with the man for make the man know so we reach in safe. Tomorrow we are gonna tackle the field still and go pick some apple and some strawberry, but me just make the man know so we're there, we land and all is well. So just go and bless up yourself still and go and look out of your eye, cause you don't know the streets are run right,
How I say, man, Brandon, you don't know. I love and respect same way, man. Just go and put in the work, man, cause you don't know where they are go and roll off the ground same way.
Hello.
Yo, Brandon, I a bad brother this, badder than, We are deal with me charge it.
But there, my bad brother. We are going with another day. All is well upon the ground.
Yeah, man, all is well, man, but hear the thing now. A little vibes are going with the boy them from down the road, And you don't know, see, we are wall off the ends a certain way. But guess what, man, we kinda run short on some funds and we need to buy some can for full up in the belly of the wheel them, cause you don't know, we have to make sure say the ends all right. So we are do, you know, have nothing can send come give the bad brother here, so we can go buy some can for full up in the belly of the wheel.
Boy, bad bro, badder than. Me not really too deep on that type of vibes they still, you don't know my thing set, I love and respect you as my friend because you don't know, so we grew together from we are youth until now. And you don't know, so me have your back with any other thing, but as it relates to the badness part of it, you know, so me not too deep on that. And I hope you understand where I come from. Me can't get involved in that. Me can't there foreign and I work in the coal so much. If send money come buy can for put in a strap. You don't know my thing better than I love and respect, but me not depend that.
Jano star, I saw the boy Brandon a pray. It's like a boy then a rate bad man thing in a star. Imagine the boy there foreign for 6 months and make good money and man I beg him a thing. For buy 2 can fees, trap them for protect the ends and that the boy that said to me, watch and see where I go on and him come back boy.
Why? Pick up 1 and 2 little things, make sure say my girl and my mother and my bad brother better than can get a few little things when time we touch back down in a few days. So you don't know, we just there in a store I go and pick up 1 and 2 little things to make sure say everybody get a little thing, even the 2 little youth them where they on the corners more time when me always talk to a try for. You don't know, make sure say them stay up on the straight and narrow. If I have 2 t-shirt, 2 underpants and you don't know any little thing that that we can get any little knickknacks for the little youths them in the community. We're going to try and make sure say everybody in the little circle can get a little thing. Ashley, baby, go on, my darling. A long time in a channel star, Ashley. Me glad to see you.
Hey, baby, I missed you so much. I'm so happy to see you, Brandon. Yay!
I bring that like a package of you, you know, my baby. I don't know, say you stand by me, you know, true thin and thin, because no thick never did it. And you always I encourage me the right way to do the right thing. So you don't know, my baby, but I have to make sure say I bring in a small thing for you and bless you up a certain way, because you don't know, my baby. I love you.
Wow, my baby, Tory Birch and all these things, matching handbags and slippers. That's why me say, you know, a one Brandon and one Ashley forever. Love you, my baby. Mwah.
Yo, Tuggy, wagwan.
Wagwan, my general. Where you deal?
You need for rise one of them matic there, you know, because we hear say, boy Brandon wants to flying, you know. And as that boy there flying, we need for flying bat.
Where you say, my G? Brandon bat forget fly. A wagwan. Them man there, you know, like brother from another mother, my G. I what really go on?
Yo, hear me I say no Tuggy. Me don't want you to give me no whole heap of chat now there, you know. We say for rise the matic, have the matic ready. You just gotta rise the matic, have the matic ready. And just listen out for the phone call. But I give you some instructions. And I just, that you figure do from me say bat for fly. Now ask me nothing, just go fly bat.
As much as me a killer, I love fake bat in a boat. Something right with that one and none at all. A man like Brandon better than one me flicking bat. But nah, man. Something right about that one here, none at all. Brandon and a bad man. Brandon and a body and no vibes. Me never hear better than Brandon have no vibes, none at all. So why better than would I want to go flip Brandon back? Something right, yes.